Welcome back to Foxtecc again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the announcement volume on your Apple Watch. Whether you're getting too many loud notifications or not hearing them at all, adjusting the ringer volume can help you manage how your watch alerts you. Let's dive into the details. First, let's understand that the announcement volume on your Apple Watch is also referred to as the ringer volume. This controls how loud your notifications are, including calls, messages, and other alerts. To start, you'll need to open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. You can do this by pressing the digital crown to access the app screen, then tapping on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. This section controls all the sound and vibration settings on your watch. In the Sounds and Haptics menu, you'll see an option labeled Alert Volume. Here, you can adjust the volume to your preferred level. There are two ways to do this. You can tap the plus or minus icons to increase or decrease the volume incrementally, or you can tap on the volume slider and rotate the digital crown to fine-tune the volume to your liking. This allows you to find the perfect balance so you can hear your notifications clearly without them being too intrusive. For managing notifications from specific apps, you'll want to use the Watch app on your iPhone. Open the Watch app, then tap on Notifications. Here you have the option to turn off Mirror iPhone, which allows you to set custom notification settings for your Apple Watch. For apps like Calendar and Mail, you can customize notifications further by turning off the sound or selecting different alert options. This is especially useful if you want to manage notifications discreetly for specific apps. However, it's important to note that some notifications, like those from the Activity app, cannot have their sounds turned off. These notifications are designed to keep you updated on your fitness goals and activity levels, and Apple has chosen to keep their sounds active to ensure you stay informed. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the announcement volume on your Apple Watch to suit your preferences. Whether you want louder alerts or more discreet notifications, these settings give you the control to customize your watch exactly how you like it. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.